Good morning. So today I'll be showing you how to make this hair. It's called Patewa. So it's one of the Nigeria school hair, weekly school hair that is being recommended in schools. So we start by doing a middle pattern. Now on the other section, you do another pattern. On the first section, you do another pattern in the middle. This is necessary to get that clapping effect. So I have to do that because you will know the reason why I did this pattern. Okay, so video is quite long. I'm really not a fan of long videos, but I try my best to reduce the video. But the pattern part was quite necessary, so I opted to speeding it up. So you can, I think YouTube have a slow motion feature. Because if it has a fast forward feature, it should have a slow motion feature too, right? Okay, so this is it. The name of the hairstyle is Patewa. It's Patewa. So if today is your first time watching with us, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. So imagine having 4 kids in Nigeria and all the kids were girls. Now school recommends new hairstyles every week, which is a must. As a mother, I think you should at least know how to braid a simple hair like this. Because imagine 4 kids, they are girls, for 1,000 every week. it's it's quite funny because you as an adult, I know that every month you haven't used that kind of money to make hair. So I do say you should know how to braid common hair for your kids, to reduce the cost. To reduce cost. So here is another hairstyle for the week, which was recommended for the kids. To Patewa. So this style is also like Chusuku, but Shiku is that it have to come up. The bone have to come up. But this one is just like clapping effect. Just like clapping. The bone will not come up. Okay. So sorry for the long video. I couldn't reduce it because I want people to see everything as much as I can. Okay. If you're first time watching with us, please subscribe, Please like our post. Help us grow. Okay, now this side is done. Move to the left side. So this is it. Just repeat this method to the other side. I couldn't post the video to that of that side too because I'm not posting a Nollywood movie. It will be so long. So you can just leave the hair, or you can just make any style on it, or you can even do Didi from the front to the back. So anyone you like. This is the hair.